The nuclear plants of today have life expectancies of around 40 years. Spent radioactive fuel rods can't be transported from the plant, and once storage space is filled, the facility must close down. The problems of the nuclear industry are being researched, and some already foresee a new nuclear technology.
There is a strong feeling throughout the world that nuclear energy is simply a stopgap energy until other things can be developed. Because there are still enough problems that have not been resolved with nuclear, so that it is a real question.
When we have the environmental restrictions on coal-burning plants that we have, when we have some of the other restrictions in place and the costs, nuclear is a very viable alternative. I think we have to be pressing research to develop nuclear fusion rather than fission. Fusion does not leave a waste product.
The present nuclear industry works on the principle of fission. Splitting atoms provide energy. What's being looked at for a new nuclear age is fusion, where atoms are forced together. Instead of using uranium, there's a possibility new plants could be fueled by hydrogen found in water.
What do you see as the future energy source?
I assume you're talking about fission or possibly even fusion. They are working on both of these right now. We will probably be seeing breeder reactors coming up. The fusion system is still in the very infant stage of development. That's many, many years down the road.
In the past few days, we've told you there are no plans for nuclear plants for this area. Coal reserves are sufficient to supply conventional power plants. There's a lot of sentiment towards a better management of our energy supplies. This would include both renewable resources like solar and wind and non-renewable resources like coal and oil. It appears that nuclear is still the wave of the future, but uranium-powered plants may one day make way for a safer and less dangerous nuclear. The present nuclear technology is giving time for the development of other energy sources that might share in meeting our future needs. For TV 11 Newswatch, I'm Mary Ellen Miller.